Hello, my name is Bettye Burnett and welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to be preparing some chicken wings for dinner today. I'm going to place the seasoning on the counter in a few minutes to show you exactly what I will be marinating the chicken in for about 30 minutes. Now this is for Super Bowl weekend, so you want to get this recipe down right so that you can serve chicken wings to your Super Bowl party, okay? So let me get started. Today we are making the Super Bowl chicken wings. In the cup there, the large cup, I have flour, corn starch, pepper, salt. These trays I have garlic, onion powder, Italian seasoning, I have cinnamon sugar, brown sugar, and I have Louisiana Hot Sauce, and then I have salt over in that area there. And the chicken wings, I will start cutting those up now. I'm gonna mix up these flour and cornstarch for the chicken. We will be frying the chicken in this mixture here. And what I'm gonna do right now is just mix this up, and then I'm gonna start cutting the chicken up. I have cut up all of the chicken in like wings. I cut the wings into drumlets up. So this is how I like to cut mine up. I took the little small ends of the wings off, so I will set those aside for soup later. So I'm going to go ahead and wash the chicken so I can start preparing it for its marinade. I washed the chicken, so now it's ready to be placed in the bag, and I'm going to put the marinade over the chicken. So again, it's ready to go into the bag, and I'm going to add the seasoning to it so it can marinate for 30 minutes. Adding the chicken to the bag. Oops, I left a couple of those little wing tips in there, but I'm not going to add them to the bag here. I'm just going to leave them, set them aside. So now let me add the Louisiana hot sauce, brown sugar, the salt, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning. Okay, let me clean up this mess over here I have. Right, be right back. So you have all your seasoning in the bag, so we're gonna just marinate the chicken. We're gonna massage all of the seasoning into the chicken so it can taste really good. Now you can do this a day before you wanna prepare the chicken, but today I'm doing it only for 30 minutes because Bill, he would like some chicken wings today. So I'm going to go ahead and do my best to get everything massaged in on the chicken. Notice I'm going to zip it up and I'm going to move it around in the bag. Put some love in your food when you're cooking it. And people can tell that, how long you marinated your chicken before they ate it, because they will taste all the seasoning throughout the chicken. That's what makes some really good chicken wings. Now I'm preparing this is some kind of pre-Super Bowl chicken wings, but you can practice a little before Super Bowl and see how you like them. And the day on Super Bowl, you can prepare these wings, but they are really delicious. This is a recipe I developed a couple years ago, so I've been using it over and over again. So I'm giving it to you, so I want you to try it. I'm setting my clock for 30 minutes, okay? And you do the same when you prepare yours. And there's plenty of other things you can do while you're waiting on your wings to get ready, okay? All right, see you soon. This is the oil I'm gonna use to fry the chicken wings. This is grapeseed oil blend. It's really good oil. Some oil in the skillet to get ready for the chicken wings. One thing good about this New Way stovetop, the temperature is on the stovetop like 350 degrees. I'm gonna fry the chicken at 350 degrees. So that's a wonderful feature to this precision stovetop. That's what I love about it. You just set it and go. You just set it and the chicken will stay at the same temperature until you finish cooking it. That's what's so nice about this New Way stovetop. So again, go to my website and you can purchase this New Way through my website. Start heating your oil about 10 minutes before the deadline for the chicken. That way the oil is ready. All you need to do is just add the chicken to the flour. And we're going to add the flour in the bag and then add the chicken in the bag. Time is up for the chicken to be marinated. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour this flour in this bag here so that I can add the chicken to the flour. I'm going to take about 3 or 4 at a time. So just mix, you're going to shake the bag. Get the flour coated on the wings really well. Okay, and I'm going to lay them on this tray here while I add the other pieces of chicken to cover them with flour. That one is not covered too well, so let me just put it back in here. So don't be afraid to, just dump it back in this bag so you get the chicken covered really well. Okay, add in some more to this bag here. Just shake the bag really well. Adding it to this rack here. Excuse me. The pepper's getting to me that I added earlier. So I'm going to add some more wings to the bag here. It's really easy. You just wait and let it marinate, and then you can close the bag up and shake it. Shake it a little bit. Shake it till it's covered all the way. All the way. And we're going to add these to the rack. Okay. Notice I covered my board so that I don't have to do a lot of cleanup with the wax paper. That way I can just take the wax paper and just throw it away. Adding some more chicken to the bag here. I think I'm going to just go ahead and add all of it. There's enough flour to cover all of it. And zip it up. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it around in that bag so you get good and coated. Let me clean up my mess here. So just take it out. Put it on the board like that. Put it on the rack here. Put some more flour on that one. And just add More and more chicken to the red. Oh, this pepper's getting to me. That's that black pepper I put in the seasoning here. It's getting to me. I'm gonna dump these back in there and cover them again. All right, it's looking good. All right, we got all the chicken covered now. And let me just stop it and clean up a little bit. The wings are browning on the outside, but they're not quite ready to come out of the pan yet. So I'm gonna let it cook a little bit longer. The chicken is coming out in about 1 minute. See how golden brown it is, and it's very crispy. The chicken cooked about 10 minutes with a new way here. So it's at 350 degrees and it cooks exactly 10 minutes. So I'm going to take it out now. I'm going to add some more chicken to the pan in a few seconds. It's hot. I'm going to place it on this rack over here. Let it cool down. Add in some more chicken. Some more. This is the first batch of chicken that I cooked. So it's laying on the tray. It is very crispy, very crispy, very crispy. The chicken is ready and it looks beautiful. I love cooking my chicken kind of on the brown side. I like mine kind of brown. And it looks beautiful, so I'm gonna taste it, see how it tastes. Let's see how it tastes. This chicken is hot though, so hopefully it won't burn my lips. So I'm gonna try it. It is so good. I can taste the hot sauce, the brown sugar, the garlic, Indian powder, and the salt and pepper. But it's not spicy, but it is really seasoned well. I hope you like this recipe. And if you like this recipe, this video, like my channel, subscribe, and share my channel with your other friends and family. Let me take another bite. It is so good. I always like to marinate all my meats before I cook them. And it just shows how much you love a person when you do that. So, all right, thanks for watching Betty's Cooking Channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.